So these are the ones that we don't put emphasis on because they're not as important to giving us that information that we're looking for. It's just not that relevant to what we are looking for. So most words that are not content words are structured words. So they provide the structure of the sentence. So they give us the structure for the grammar. And structure words are short, and they're words like the, to, and other things. And these words do not carry as much information, which is what I said earlier, as content words. The focus word in a sentence is usually not a structure word. Okay, so ideally it is not a structure word. So it's not a pronoun, not a preposition, not an article, not a conjunction, not an auxiliary verb, and not the verb to be. Okay, so pronouns: he, she, it, we, they. Those are pronouns. Prepositions are things like of, to, at, on, so forth. Articles: a, and the. Conjunctions: and, but, yet, nor, or are these things. Okay, can, have, do. These are auxiliary verb, and the verb to be is, was, and were. Okay, so structure words are usually de-emphasized, so they are not as stressed to help make content we focus, to help make a contrast with a focus word. Okay, so that you know that the other one is focused and not the